In this particular lesson, we are going to see how to install WLAVision tool into our Kali Linux operating system. So for that, you need to open your favorite web browser and enter here WLAVision and press enter. So after entering, as you can see here, the first link github.com, you just need to click on this particular link and it will open the page of WLAVision tool. As you can see here, this is all about WLAVision tool. If you want to read it, you can read it also. But in this lecture, I am going to show you how to install this particular tool into your Kali Linux operating system. So for that, you need to tap on this particular button and you need to just copy this and get back to your terminal window. So here you need to just see in which particular directory you are working on. So I am currently on root directory, so I am going to change this to option directory, so that I am going to install this particular tool here. So let's see what is inside it. Nothing is inside this particular directory, so I have copied this particular link and now I am going to get clone into my system. For that, I need to give command git clone and paste the link here. And one more thing that I am going to do, and before doing that, just hit enter. So after enter, you can see here it is started cloning this particular file into your computer system. It will take some time. It depends upon your internet speed, how much time it's gonna take. So my internet speed is like this, so it will not take more time. So as you can see here, this tool, everything about this tool, about installation, its description, in which particular operating system it works, each and everything is given here. If you want to learn, if you want to read, you can read from here and then you can install it also from here. But now let's see, it is completed with 21%. So let's pause the video till the completion of this. So as the process has been completed, so now let's install this WLAVision tool into our Kali Linux machine. So for that, we need to get into our option directory and just ls it, and as you can see here, the download of WLAVision tool has been successfully completed. So now we are going to get inside this WLAVision tool. So now let's do ls. So as you can see, these many files are inside this particular tool. So we are going to get into the setup file because we need to install it. For that, setup, press enter. So as you can see here, we are inside the setup file. So for just installing it, we need to type setup.sh and -c and press enter. So it will automatically start installing it into your particular operating system. So you can wait till the completion of this. It will take some time.